Net Zero.
Hello, today from the DHL Logistics Center. Talking today about the EU taxonomy. The EU taxonomy is something that is on top of the mind of many of our customers, but what does it really mean for our customers on the sample of DHL? Therefore, I'm very happy to meet today with Martin Momberg, where we currently work on a project, and Martin will talk with me about the EU taxonomy. What does it really mean for DHL? Martin, thanks first of all to be with me. Thanks for inviting us to the DHL Logistics Center. Great to be here with you. Tell us about the secret and about the challenges and opportunities on the EU taxonomy.
First of all, thank you for meeting us. And the EU taxonomy really gave us some riddles, because what we expected is that our electric vehicles, our street scooters, are taxonomy aligned. And indeed, we found that we have to check, in addition to if a vehicle is electric, also that it's 85% recyclable, and that the tires of the vehicle are belonging to the highest classes of rolling noise and noise resistant. And that indeed we have to screen all our electric vehicles for which kind of tire is currently on that vehicle. So it's really a lot of work and a lot of details we need to capture.
Well, first of all, thanks for the fabulous insights. That sounds like a hell of manual work. And I assume that's not something that you want to do for all and ever. I know that we work from SAP together with the DHL on a kind of how to half atomize that solution to come from a kind of one-time effort, also in a planning upwards effort. So you would say, okay, it's a regulation, there's effort, but I would say from a customer perspective, you also would say, okay, you want to gain opportunities, you want to gain kind of advantages, being kind of EU taxonomy compliant. What is it that are you kind of from a business case looking into to be compliant?
Yeah. So indeed, we did very good workshops together with you from the SAP. And we found that one thing is that we have to capture a lot of information. And this is information which we currently, at least partly, do not have in our systems. So we need information in addition, which is in relation to a taxonomy object or something like a sustainability object you can think of. And in the workshops together with you, we found in addition that it's very important to begin the life cycle of this object quite early, so that you have the chance that during your planning phase, during your investment decisions, you can already think of what do I have to do to make my vehicles or make my buildings taxonomy aligned. And that has been one important thing. And the other important thing is that we need something that can automatically judge if an asset is taxonomy aligned. And those are the main important functionalities which we need in this year, but which we currently do not have any software support for.
Well, that sounds challenging, but I'm also curious to see kind of what the two teams are coming out of that, And I totally get it, Instead of just be compliant, you want to embed the EU taxonomy just as a normal financial planning to then also be able to kind of, while planning, to also be reportive and compliant in regards of EU taxonomy.
Yeah. And I think this is the first step that we are working on together, to make the EU taxonomy to something which you can use exactly for steering and not only do your reporting.
Yeah, I totally like that, and appreciate our brief discussion. Totally exciting what you do, and I'm curious to see, and more to come. Once again, thanks for having us. Thanks for pit stopping at DHL. Thanks for telling us the secret about the tires. And thanks for giving us a pit stop for our bike load. Appreciate it.
Yeah, I wish you all the best for the rest of your ride, and of course, good weather.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.